emrenimfo a won akwadare wo emrenimu a poto kasa mu ye kasa a lawyer for entimi nuanom momyemfa ye immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo mo Wisemart Solicitors. Wisemart Solicitors. Emrenimu akukudro for so what's na hache ombeboa wo ma wonsa ka won krata na se wedi edro nso a eyom kokokra eba ne nipa sitenemu eni adwuma mu nsem bia omudi mu akotene pa omo wo mre di mani pa bia Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384, mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahinifuchiniye ebidi de biye.
Atrema kasa dodo emfa hwema erade kaso na manya
Ghana for wa brotwe ha ya say dene enya emranimfo a won akwadare wo emranimu a poto kasa mu ye kasa a lawyer for entimi nuanom momyemfa ye immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo mo Wisemart Solicitors. Wisemart Solicitors. Emranimu akukudro for so what's na hache ombeboa wo ma wonsa ka won krata na se wedi edro nso a eyom kokokra eba ne nipa sitenemu eni adwuma mu nsem bia omudi mu akotene pa omo wo mre di mani pa bia Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384, mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahinifuchiniye ebidi de biye.
Atrema kasa dodo emfa hwema erade kaso na manya
Ghana for wa brotwe ha ya say dene enya emranimfo a won akwadare wo emranimu a poto kasa mu ye kasa a lawyer for entimi nuanom momyemfa ye immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo mo Wisemart Solicitors. Wisemart Solicitors. Emranimu akukudro for so what's na hache ombeboa wo ma wonsa ka won krata na se wedi edro nso a eyom kokokra eba ne nipa sitenemu eni adwuma mu nsem bia omudi mu akotene pa omo wo mre di mani pa bia Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384, mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67 76 149 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. I ni fuchiniye ebidi de BH. Ghana for one portray ya say dene enya emranim fo a won akwadare wo emranim a poto kasa mu ye kasa a lawyer fo entimi nuanom mum yemfa ye immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo mo Wisemart Solicitors emranim akuku drofo so what's na hache beboa wo ma wonsa ka won krata na se wedi edro nso a eyo mo kokokra eba ne nipa setena mu ani adwuma mu nsem bia di mu akotene pa wo mere di mani pa bia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67 76 149 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. I ni fuchiniye ebidi de BH.
Good evening, welcome to Legal Matters. This is DJ KB, Top Online Radio UK. I believe you are well. It's time for us to look into the legal world and get updates from our able solicitor firm, Wisemart Solicitors, in the UK. But as I always say, they serve you everywhere. If you're in Ghana, UK, wherever you are, once it's about immigration issues, they will serve you. As always, we are live on Facebook and YouTube and also on our radio, Top Online Radio UK. You can tune in to the program online on our website, toponlinestation.com, and you can listen to us by clicking the on-air button. You can also listen to us to the program on your mobile phone through our radio app that you can download from the website as well as from the Play Store and the App Store. It's all about legal matters. So as always, if you have any question, as the conversation goes on, you can type your question in the comment section, and the lawyer will, I will read and the lawyer will answer. Forgive us, we had a little issue with the Facebook. Their settings is giving some troubles. If you reckon, the description of the program is a little bit incorrect. We've changed it, but it seems they get stuck to the old program. So we will fix it, but the important thing is that we are here and we are privileged to have with us I was going to say the man of God. Yes, he's a man of God, but here he's going to bring us legal answers. legal answers. So wherever you are, I think there are a lot of people wonder, but I think this issue is so affecting the streaming. But we will see how it goes. Anyways, welcome to the program, Lawyer Wisdom. I believe you are well, and how the team at Wisemart Solicitors.
DJ.
Oh, okay.
I'm well, and I hope you are doing too. The team is good, the team is strong, the team is united, the team is together. So, by the grace of God, we are very well. I hope you're doing good too. How are you?
Yeah, we are okay by the same grace. Just that today Facebook has given me some tough time. Yeah, these guys. So I don't even see who is online. Anyways, but we are here. We thank God we are alive. We are giving us another day. Yeah, but it's important to have you around because these legal issues, especially these days, that things are changing so quickly. Regarding immigration issues here and there, what do they want us to do now? Now it's like Donald Trump has brought something to the politics of the world. What I'm tempted to call the paparazzi sort of thing. Now everybody is on social media. Everything they want to do. What do they call it? They call a news conference, whatever. And I don't know what's going on, lawyer. Anyways, before we go there, I think we want to know if there are updates that you want to share with us. And I know there are updates. So let's hear the updates you have for us tonight. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Papa DJ Edward Edu Ebonso, Papa.
What bomidini nyina? They share that come nyina.
I'm say yeah na eba screen is nti yeah na Facebook post so ehun bibia wo. DJ bibia wo who get there?
Nyamiadum. What they are saying. Enti yɛnhwɛ legal update first. Now you know na you mean, but I think I remember the last time you said you would talk about deportation.
Deportation, yes.
Deportation.
Yes. I was going to talk about that, but
yeah,
I think
we got some updates. You answer.
Yeah, I would then I would go on next week. I'll rather zoom on the deportation, but
oh, okay. Let's say something a pressing is at stake. Okay, let's hear you, sir.
Yeah. So I'll look at this, and then I'll look at the issues we are having with younger apply for British passport for your man. The problems are, but to say, and we are more pertinent. The question is, how many people get deported every day? Not as many, but how many people apply for British passport for their children every day? That's a lot more. And therefore, and we are more pressing than the deportation. And we'll look at the deportation, God willing, next week.
Okay.
So yes, first of all, the e-visa. Papa, I mean, say about e-visa to the extent that everybody got bored with what is e-visa. But of course, and then the 3rd of June 2025. And the last day to apply for the e-visa was the 1st of June 2025. And actually, said the deadline on Abeka more echo. And the Home Office clearly said they are no longer going to give an extension. Nansu Niamemekani says, still go online and submit your e-visa application. And that is that. Yes, the deadline is past, but it is better late than never. And still go online and attempt to apply for the e-visa or apply for the e-visa. Say, and go through it, and that is the beautiful thing about it. And please don't wait any longer. Your name da umber be out. And so and make sure say obey any ansana block everything out. Now, also, e-visa no ebi episode check it. Now, so almost see the documents you've entered does not match our records. Nature is a documents now would the year application and already create account no. And yeah, no, and I would the a year application. And in Tiabasa, because the details you've entered do not match their records. The details you've entered do not match their records. And you will create your account. So what do you passport? And a create account now. Make sure say that passport no na every time a person will call into your e-visa to generate a share code either for a driving license or to rent a property or for anything else for your employer. No. Documents are would create account no and no and I will bet to me create generate your share code. And to Udi will passport and at the year. Now at the time now we the passport was valid. So saying the passport new. What were your new passport? Now remember, sir, what were your new passport in poor? Remember that and no any home office and they would not have that old new passport on their system. And it's a person who generated share code. You still have to use the passport that you used to create the account and not an SSL with the according to the system to generate the share code for your employer or to rent a property or for your driving license or even to travel as a share code no. So document now with the generated we create an account and one as I said would the share code generation or to view your e-visa. Set passport new new passport. Do not use the new passport to view your e-visa. Use the same old passport that is expired. Unless you've gone on the system to update your passport with a new document. And no, it's a different thing. In that case, you would use the new passport to go into your e-visa and to generate your share code. So let's take notes of that. Meaning, it's frustrating some people, so please take note of that. Secondly, if you use your biometric card and our residence card, pre-settled status card, and our settled status card, and we use a card now, the details, number also, and one also still know what me retrieve your e-visa details from the Home Office site or from the internet. And please take notes of that. So, all the biometric card and the call Home Office are on the application and not and as I said, would generate the share code and not and as I said, would retrieve your e-visa application to get a share code or to get a share code for employer, for renting, or for driving. That is what you have to do, or even for travel, that is what you have to use. So let's take note of that. The other thing is, younger, now we've said it on this platform over and over, and it's younger, the old style visas in our passport. Na ebia wono wo passport did the old passport no na omo stamp is same ema. Now from a honor from stamp any call vignette and a vignette or sticker the tariff passport no. If you honor any call biometric residence permit or card. If you want to answer the e-visa. So you see, the first one was the stamp in your passport. That's one. Number two, and now step one, a stamp in the passport. Step two, a the vignette or the sticker in your passport. Step three, a the biometric residence card and a permit. Step four, and only e-visa now. And there are 4 steps. We've gone 4 stages. 1, stamp in the passport. 2, sticker in the passport. 3, biometric residence card or permit. 4, e-visa. And so step 1, you can't jump to step 4 without passing through step 3, 2, and 3. So what happens is, old style passport. All you have to do is access your application for the NTL, no time limit. So your application on the no time limit form, NTL. We get NTL form now. That will jump you from step 1 up to step 3, more or less to step 4. So almost sure if you're not approve then you will then be able to create the account, and then after creating the account, you would be able to generate your share code. And see, my back radio so and I make actual say, as it stands now, and I want you all to be aware, if you are listening to me on this radio, please, I am saying if you are on step 1, the sticker and stamp now or passport no more, you can't go straight to e-visa. You have to go through the NTL, no time limit application, from a honor before you can create an account, and then you can generate a share code. So NTL, the form is NTL, no time limit. You cannot jump from the stamp to the e-visa. No, you have to complete the NTL form. Once you have submitted it, Ubeka Home Office, they will take details of your fingerprints, your biometrics. They will take pictures of your face, etc., etc. And so na share application, then they will approve it. Approve it, then you will then be able to generate a share code. So please take note of the steps. Sa NTL form, ebisa about your name, date of birth, place of birth, when you were granted indefinite leave to remain, when you were granted, and your travel history in and out of the UK, how many times you've been out, how many times you've got in, how long you stayed out for more than 6 months. It only asks for dates and details of your absence for up to 6 months or more than 6 months. So I call out of the UK for more than 6 months, you have to note that. So we'll for maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks, that is not important. And so you have to take note of the fact that your travels out of the UK, which are more than 6 months, you have to enter all of that into the system for the Home Office to show, for the Home Office to determine whether you are eligible for the electronic visa or not. For electronic visa or not. And let's take note of that. Let's take note of that. Let's take note of that. And then we can always go back to the Home Office. Then once it is approved, you can generate your share code. They ask for your date of birth, your place of your birth, your address, when you move to that address, your travel history in and out of the UK. They ask for your parents' details also. Yeah, that's some very important details they ask for. When you were granted your indefinite leave to remain, of course, how long you've stayed out of the UK. They'll look at all this and then they will approve your stay for you, your NTL for you. Once that is done, you are good to go to generate your share code, to create your e-visa account, generate your share code, and then you can continue living your life in the UK. So that is what it is. Now, if you don't do it, even though the deadline has passed, do it now. If you don't, not say almost shati if down, then you have nobody to blame. Papa, you'll be surprised that announcement over and over and over and over and over and over. And still some people have not done it. Still some people have not done it. Even as at today, Obi Ebisame on through a message as to near SSF
Oh yeah.
and another person to also start here, but now went to me again also so yeah. It's a problem. You can't over and over and over and over.
Yeah, and more to honor.
Yeah,
Oh, very soon. Oh, maybe actually later. Oh, and I say, June, dear, say no. See, June, you drew.
half of the year, well, in the middle part of the year. So, yeah, then you are just setting yourself up for trouble because once they seal everything off, or they are asking you to give a reason why when you have the option to do it, not a reason that you're good enough, it can cause you trouble. Tisania, younger, then can say your pre-settled status, unsettled status, young, and that you do because papa, and now you can say a bit, and that's a pre-settled status and settled status application. After the deadline has long gone.
I'm very refused, Anna.
Oh, yes, you have to give a good reason why you were not able to do it at the time. Mostly a medical reason, if you are really and now if you had to travel for medical reasons, etc., etc., fine. And this they'll refuse you. Just say you haven't made a valid application. And it's that means system no want to engage you and all those things. And then not baby basa, we keep drumming it so that at least a lot of people will hear. But unfortunately, there's always one or two people. There are always one or two people who would always be late, which is unfortunate. But it is what it is. So, e-visa, I can't stress it enough. It is important that obey. And yes, out too quiet, you get stuck out there. You may not be able to get on the plane, let alone return to the UK. So that is for information. But maybe be very important to say from the beginning. Yeah, I think I've spoken about this before, but I will do it again because of the importance that I've attached to it. Yeah, British passport application. I'm not
Okay.
True a memano. True a memano. Young problem we know a diet so remember two scenarios. And yeah, me example.
You. You.
Now, assuming that obey what do UK or by as a student when to me and go school and I overdo 6 months time wawoba or say wo and I will say wo any abufre papa and to ukako here British passport application ama obey.
Okay.
Papa so what application away na
It means a bedding a crab because it be I said the time when you say, every crown on Ukruma. Nintimia, I'm a tea hanum.
Oh, my answer no.
Wow.
Some more law degree straight away.
Hey, I receive it.
Papa, you saying, I am saying
9.
and crown 9.
Chrome, yeah.
What do chrome ha? Business here. When you're premature, when you're when you're full time. Man, the Ghana, what's not now when the Ghana, what's the many of brave papa? Who's not going to put a marble free? Papa, Usha, it doesn't
add up. Interesting.
You can't balance this equation. That when your accountant look, will this balance?
We won't balance it.
The account will not balance.
This all pay suspense account with the cotton. No, actually, no. No investigation. The entire balance.
Yeah. It won't balance. No, yeah, but Busum 9 and 9 Busum 9.
Wow.
Na Kojo said, Onone Abofre Papanti, or Wakwaji British passport, I might pay. And ye Juma. And then one issue. And on Tibusum, and Yensen, and Busum Crom, and yet and yet num, and yet song, and I can watch it, a yen song, a yen crom.
Yeah.
And I say, me counting here, correct.
And Chrome 9 months.
Back home, me and note, me and sign, and 9 and num, and sia, and song, or tree, and crom 9.
Yes.
And you do 9. And I will friends when you pray me. Now, Tessa Americano. O say, when you have a papa. Meanwhile, Brana, Banning Yen say, now, wouldn't crona. onion sen was so. Enti ebani saying when so yan fan fa DHL.
Lawyer, say Ebia or Ghana, and no Cushiano.
Because Ghana, passport bang, ukra passport ana, uji visa ana, me visa ana express, mamma not on him in November last year, and October last year. October no not visa na ewo passport no na uwo Ghana ana ticket bang na udi koye e dia na express na uwo
Wow.
Ghana.
Wow. Yeah, Simon.
This year, ubaya da catch me am here case worker. Home office now here case worker say when it me abo pray papa. I'm papa but don't we know that the
Yeah,
list.
Metia Sepa.
I don't say akoso ama say no. Almost say me na me say abofra ye me ba ampa. Ɛne nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ a ɛsɛ sɛ memfa mmra nsa na ɔmo gye atum sɛ ampa me ne abofra papa. Anaa wo ne abofra papa a fa nneɛma bi bra na bɛkyerɛ ɔmo sɛ ampa wo ne abofra papa. Nti ɔmo working pregnancy no 9 months back from the day of birth no ɔmo working it 9 months back. 9 months no evidence ɛwɔ he time bɛ na maame ne bɛdu kurom ha ɔmo bɛhwɛ ɔmo system so ɔmo da a ɔbɛdu kurom ha. The day you arrive at Heathrow or Gatwick, they can find out. How do you ding with date of birth, your visa sticker reference? How many shame? How many da overdo Chroma? Into normal calculate it. Okay, from da overdo Chroma, any da you know. How many months was the pregnancy in the UK or the pregnancy was from outside the UK? If it was from outside the UK, what should say now me were hope at the time you got pregnant. Manya evidence na nkyerɛ me ne visa bia in my passport no me Ghana passport so stamp bia nsɛm me san ba no stamp bia nsɛm a kyerɛ sɛ I'm departing ana evidence bia ne nso a kyerɛ sɛ matɔ ticket a makɔ Ghana aba sɛ bibi sɛ ni hɔ a ɛneɛ ɔmo se abofra no ɛnyɛ me ba nti British passport na nka me ba akɔgye ama me ba no ɔmo ɛmfa ma no.
Wow, lawyer, asɛm wei deɛ ɛm sɛ ehia paa sɛ yɛka ho asɛm ɛnɛ because akɔyɛ sɛ ɛfini bi a ɔwɔ hɔ nya wo pɛ na ɔpɔ obi no akɔyɛ akɔsan ma ɔba no nti asɛ yɛagye atom sɛ wɔyɛ so easy a gye sɛ ɛno ara ne sɛ wobɛpɛ obi wobɛhwehwɛ obi na akɔsan ama wo sɛ deɛ sɛnea ɔkyerɛ deɛ na ɔmokyɛ sɛ deɛ ɔmohwehwɛ mu nyɛ sɛ ɔde kɔɔyɛ a
Nationality is a question of law. It's pure law. So, by a British citizen, a pure law, and a matter of argument. Oh, and I'm at now, I'm at now 100 years into no, a fish does not become a crocodile, and a crocodile doesn't become a fish for staying in the water for forever. No, a fish is a fish, and it is the rules that in accordance to certain laws, you become a British citizen. And until nationality is a question of law. Until wo banda will say, oh, yo, British passport. The law says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you meet the 1? Yes. Do you meet the 2? Okay, what about the 3? And then the 4, and then the 5. If you meet these requirements, question via anyhow. But if you don't meet the requirements in accordance with the laws, you can shout, you can scream, you can pray, you can fast, you can do anything. It will not change the rules. The child will not become a British citizen. Me pastor be, me young pastor be, or say you don't become a car because you were born in a garage. You know. So the fact that you were born in a garage doesn't make you a car. The fact that you were born in the UK doesn't make you a British citizen. Automatically, it has rules. And until here, yes, saying is say, Obama, what British citizen, and now what indefinite, kwako sama oba, almost say, bring all the application they call you. And you're worry, the problem because someone say, a problem now. But young I buy as a student, young I buy with health and care visa, no. Yen to me, juma, ABS sponsorship license has been revoked, and wako travel one yen sign, na abofan papa pesa ko sama, almost see you yet. Yen di watching JBS, abofan in Yabuba, but fa Sanya may ebra. One, almost say produce the baby's red book. Papa want him say red book now, Omodima GP no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. And only for produces that baby red book. Oh my God, Papa bending na a woman. Mammy did wo Papa bending na a sheho. And they say a koju ding na would yako sheho. One way we see a yaw. And you will pray Papa. Compare the two. I say, yaw and a walk birth certificate. No, so koju also never red book no more. A band sang and a koju adani yaw. And now with the 6, a quack than 9. They want to find out. You have to explain. And Tiomsi produce the baby's red book. Details na a woman. And nothing you should be very careful. So, who started your maternity and who started your prenatal, whatever it is, appointments. Papa na oya abofra ne papa no. Ni ding na esese ekoda ho. From the very, very beginning. Consistently, be information be ano a year. Papa no, ena. Oh yeah, sa abufane papa. And no, eba na bibiaye consistent. Number 2, omo bisa se time many ewo abufra no. Time na obaba registration no. Enti abufra na ya wo no in maybe January 2025. Abufra January 2025. June answer na ukako register no. What is your reason for not registering the child shortly after birth? Question. So what has
Yeah.
So that is also another question. Now almost have is say address what's not yet address a minute not yet from there overdo chrome ha. But payment now papa ne application and money pano address ben what's not yet throughout. Address Ben Papa no so it's not throughout those periods. Now, Oma compare Papa no Manchester, Wonsu or London. Okay, there is no evidence such as a share anywhere in between or in London or in Manchester. Again, a ban is saying, and I would say, Papa, any abufrey, Papa. And also another question, Omo Ebisa. Almost passport needed but answer this question. Who scored the marks here the passport number? One score. And it said you haven't met the requirements in accordance with the law for the child to be eligible for a British passport.
Lawyer, okay, so the land na me fa question bimra.
The American is yeah, she said yeah, be in accordance with the law.
The law.
Okay. Papa, I'm back. And you would qua will be a new assam. There is some few more questions, but Papa, let me have this question on that.
Yeah, and I say Ebia will be making an attempt, say, or ye be sa to get a British passport for Nakwada. Na senya and send me say I be say near man siswa. Number 1, him say ebi amunfa the passport in Makwadano. Could there be other consequences for the applicant? Wona anka wokoji British passport ama akwadano we papa no. Ebia ye bisa ya dimu say answers no insist so they are not satisfied say you are a true biological father of the child. Could there be any more consequences for you, the applicant?
Yes, sometimes, usually, say, I will be solve the requirements. Na, went to me and yanko, ebi anyama NCC so, na, I will be some questions address a wet na proof so we never pray papa pictures etc. So now went to me and found eventually, I will refuse the application. I'm going to refuse the application. No. Now, I'm going to refuse the application. I don't return the documents I would have. Sometimes after a year, they shred it, they destroy everything. They normally will not return the form, etc. to you. But as to whether there will be The consequence said would the court and I'm final and
Because maybe I'm going to watch and throw for using this deception to get something red book.
Oba and Abofrana ni papa and I yes
Yes, and no correct.
I'm kind of saying.
Say Oba and him ne papa.
Okay. Oba and Abofrana men and him Abofrana papa. So sorry.
Aye.
You want me ha? Eh, dear. What figure na ba? 7 months. Now me knows why any BB. Okay. Maybe it was a one-off B. Away there some count.
Yeah.
Na Ubianco Cassette lawyer. One
When you say, I overcome a lawyer assignment, they are when you say a very quick lawyer assignment, they are necessary. Okoya, na the amount.
example, and say they are one of the one night stand be na we say me na go pray papa. Me dia me Jesus said near wo ka kire me no. Me gidi no. Me gidi said wo ka kire me no. And no, and no cry. And me banokra or ye premature. Fine. Now later, someone will be some question. Now me know what na say bi me ne obana na say. Then I'm say, "Eh, mommy, ne wo be say ne kan kire kire me." Now when you answer na wo ba na wo ba du hana. So papa na was scratching it say papa na me ba na for the road back we na me nim say in that case me in control I haven't lied because as far as me no
Okay.
abofra ne me ba and based on the cry na mama na be catch me later no and na my say abofra enye me ba ntimi and once me in control there obi antime mfa me nko bebia se ma twantro nanso me amenem se abofra nya me ba menim se onye me ba ana ma hyeda se me de me den kwa akoto ne so na on be bisa se mo bra interview na ma me koye na mo bisa so wo de kan kra na ye ba ye de be ma wo de kan kra wo kan kra na ye de be ma wo ba na me nso mo des oh na endia papa wa wo hwa aha konia wo ba fi wanu mu aba no eno so na ombegina edi abo atan and that is what it is nti wonnim pa se bofani nya wo ba na wow di wo di akoto so the end here it's an offense it's a criminal offense but wonnim se wo gidi se ni ma me ka kire wo no
To be a one na you be painty. It is possible.
Yes, I know they want to make cassette. Want to make cassette. Abofrey enye wo ba. My more example. Who called the Guinness Book of Record more? The Guinness Book of Record. Papa, so what's the Guinness Book of Record?
Yeah.
Do you know how old do you know the age of the youngest mother in the world?
Debut. Oh yeah.
Papa, can you guess? The youngest mother in the world.
10 years.
Obia o tell me wait me on internet to see I Google the youngest mother in the world was 5 years 6 months.
Hey.
Yes, the child is it 5 years 6 months, 5 years 8 months. One do 6 years simple. That's the youngest mother in the world. It's in the Guinness Book of Record.
Wow.
Yeah, what tell me Mr. Just go on your phone now. Google
the youngest mother
in the world. The youngest mother in the world. Just Google it. The youngest mother in the. In fact, I'm doing it myself. The youngest.
Hey. Now, so we don't find it 6 years. Now, 6 years. There's a people now.
Okay. The youngest confirmed mother in the world is Lina Medina. Medina, Lina Medina, who gave birth at the age of 5 years, 7 months, and 21 days. She was a Peruvian woman who gave birth to a son named Geraldo on the 14th of May, 1939. As of June 3rd, 2025, Lina Medina is living in Lima, And now Yeka says she's still alive.
Wow.
Lina Medina is living in Lima, Peru, according to Simple English Wikipedia. Papa, Obianco and Corre. The youngest mother in the world was 5 years, 7 months. And to say, remember, you will 7 months. I didn't say a miracle.
Wow.
And to say, catch him say, I will pray me back. When it's 7 months, any I want to. It's not out of place.
Yeah, so there's a premature.
Yes.
7 months.
Yes.
Hey. And some movie I say 6 years.
Even less than 6 years.
Less than 6. I mean, find it to 6 years, so that I can, put in a right perspective. Not even crying no school, no or coursing. Is it a nursery and say reception?
How is that possible?
Yes.
Just read it and you find out how it was possible. So,
wow.
The American when it said, if the youngest mother in the world is 5 years, 7 months, then it is not impossible that a child will be born 7 months.
Yes.
Etc. And the point I'm making is, it is possible that I can be a father of a child, 7 months pregnancy child, 8 months pregnancy, etc. under the 9 months. So, based on information I'm having, that is why I'm saying I'm but why when I'm not trying to try and here, Papa, and here. So, your marriage certificate, what worry that na? Who papa na who koji British passport ama ubano? What worry that? What worry that for marriage certificate? Ebrahim, the Ayrsham. 2. What worry for divorce certificate? Ebra. Abufrane mamenso for the passport. For the marriage certificate, Ebra membership. Now, Nientia, bisa mamene marriage certificate ni say. Papa say share. Section 50, subsection 9A, big A of the British Nationality Act 1981. Section 50, subsection 9A of the BNA 1981. And say, Abofra papa, ni mame ekuno at the time I yewu abofra no. Abofra ne papa no, obema, wawari, ana only abofra ne mame awari wo mreku a wo time a wo mre a yewu abofra no.
Hey, lawyer.
Yeah.
Na so we didn't talk about.
We emra enye ntokwa.
No, because say ebia de na mame no onyin san wafa, or take his seed with one man.
Yes.
And before say no, the relationship broke down and the woman met a new husband or partner who never was responsible for that pregnancy.
Yes.
And now akorani yawono, when the mother was with the second man.
Yes.
Can that man claim to be the father of that child?
He's not claiming it. The law says he is.
Hey, lawyer, wait there.
And yes, I know that I claim you. And when I say you are the father of the child, and as him said, obey UK. I mean, I'm not worry me. I'm son of Nigeria, Gambia, Gabon, Ghana, Eba Kruma.
Okay.
Meneno, ya worry engui. Still no, because you are worried for. Not whatever shawo. Now one no. Any saying, me, I'm your Ghana, me never plan papa and you.
Hey.
On name that's so. I worry. And he will British man say, once my men on me and that's what I worry no. Many abofrani papa is as simple as that.
Hey, lawyer, wait here. I'm wait here, nothing. Now, say, because the Indian American said didn't talk about and say, if I know, say, I, impregnated a woman, now will be somebody else. Can I claim the child? Can I claim the child?
Tell over to me. Over to me, I a DNA. Not just
Wow.
the biological father of the child. So ultimately, say you are the biological father of the child, and yeah, Udi, because the registry, you register front. Not almost not almost baby, I want to better hope, but mention me, then you know, I have a birth certificate. And I say, I just said, I am the biological father of the child. Even though you are the legal father, I am the biological father. And you are the biological father. I'm only the legal father because me, the Ghana, one the biological father. Ko one obano ewo kroma. Media, me the legal father, as the law says, but biologically, no. One abofrey, a papa. And
So
say,
you
one
have two names on the birth certificate.
names on the birth certificate.
Wow.
Yes. Back where baby, as I said, father's name one, and now back on super birth certificate. I see our annotation amendment or I just said, you are the biological father, and the two fathers' names on the birth certificate.
Wow. Wonders shall never end. Hey. Wow, lawyer, in fact, I'm right with you. I'm in TB shadow. Hey.
And
Wow.
me ba me bɔ mmara no na sɛ obi a wɔtɛn bia no ɔbɛtumi akɔ kyɛke ɛnyɛ sɛ me na me no ɛka biribi ɛnti
Sure.
wopɛ wotie me a go online, go to your Google, enter section 50 subsection 9A British Nationality Act 1981 ɛbɛtwi ama wo wobɛhu sɛ ɛnti sɛnea lawyer no ka no ɛnyɛ sɛ ebia aduane bi na wadi a ɛbɔ afa ne tirim na ɔka biribi sa ɛyɛ mmara no na ɛwɔ saa ɛnti sɛ wokɔ akɔgye British passport ama wo ba a make sure sɛ biribiara ɛda n'akwan mu ɛnti ɛyɛ adeɛ a ebia ɔbaa no wabɛdu ha wie mene na ware no mate sɛ ɔne ɔbarima bi nam ɔne wo papa Edward mo nam ɛna mesi deebi saa aware wei deɛ mentumi ɛnti makɔ gu aware no wɔ fie sɛ megu aware no wɔ fie ɛnnɛ na sɛ ɔbaa no wo ɛkyena a ɛndeɛ memeyi me ho afi equation mu nti abɔfra no abɛyɛ wo ba ɔnyɛ me ba bio because mene no na ware no egu ansa na ɔwo abɔfra no. In that case, meno, mensa, and I don't have a hand in it anymore. Weina, say who kwakoje British passport ama ubana, omo bisa sa questions yeah. Baby say, again say, wonen were pictures. No bisa say your marriage certificate, divorce document of the mother. No one bisa say, we say abofra ne uba. Wa apply for child benefit amana ana. So wa apply again na wanye child benefit application amana. Na as I said, uma reason. Na almost bisa say sana omoye nansen pre and postnatal records issued by health authorities. Obano all started echo prenatal from the day of pregnancy or co-appointments. They want to see all the records of the prenatal appointments are all going now. They want to see. They want to see. Postnatal, they want to see all the appointments, everything they want to see. And sometimes I suspect that they want to see, say, record view which just say, menewo, and I want to know about an echo appointment. And so they want to see that as well. Another very important thing I want to be saying is, so what say one ne abofrani papa? Wo ye application among the British passport. Yes, so bring a different photos of both parents together before and after the birth of the child. And to one ne abofrani mame no, and many abofrani mame, and I win abofrani mame no. So they say the many way I put up on hunti. Me any abofrani mame, and I walk any abofra ne maame no wo a wosi wo yɛ abofra ne papa no kyerɛ pictures a wo ne na etwitwa from time a onye nsa yɛ different stages first month, second month, third month, 6 months, 9 months kyerɛ pictures are winning at different stages of the pregnancy. Kopim tama yewo abofrana. Number 2. Now some pictures no you and I winning obano different pictures. And yewo abofrana now what GP or hospital ho ana. Oh, pictures being natural set na ho at the date of the birth. What's so banamo which pictures? And only a friend of progressive pictures from the day the child was born, 1 week, 2 weeks, naming ceremony, outdooring, different stages, christening in church, etc. They want progressive pictures to show that you are truly involved in the child's life. And not never say ampa wunni abofrey papa. Papa, so when you abofrey papa, now over your time akwa kwa yes anya menya.
Eno na wan hwe ya na obi akofa pictures bi no twa no de ateta no ho na.
And also photo shoot on me ho. Na say the odi kwa na mo de share machine bi ase, e be yi lines bi a kire clear. On say we dey we try and now dey attack.
Asemu.
Straight away no, and no kura kire say asem no kura.
Yeah, I think there was something like that, some case like that where I don't know. Say picture obi you know. Na or they prove say like a family, you know, whatever. Now he was not so smart. He used one picture of the person. So the knee share 30 degrees. He used the same picture. No, they share other group pictures. Nipa na I can one seven no. We share no all the 6 or 5 pictures no more. The name share faako.
Which is not possible. It's not possible. But could be me who yeah. Na almost made 2 pictures. Na papa no. I just said, "What's not going on?" So now, none of 2 and and wait, I did a court. A court, so now, yeah, you said,
was it what you say? He sat down very suspending.
Just only 2 and Kakoyans was suspended in the air. And I don't want to chat about Freddy. I'm a Simon Tem. I just said, oh, yeah, look. Those days, those 100 years tricks now. It's not longer, it's not applicable. Now, technology about so much to the sense that, oh, them cry, yes, surveillance. So you can't do these things anymore. These days, look, sir, Abuana Abano, AI. Sorry to say.
No one know where. Maybe you too. I bet you said.
Yes.
Correct.
Let's do the right things.
Yeah.
Application back where for British passport. No, I'm going to this assignment now.
Wow.
I want to say, who ma saying, but omu na omu ding, date of birth, hina omu wo. Shame na. Abo friend mama nso ne de ni na. Now, bi abo friend mama obano, wan kasa or abo friend. But application inti, wo dia koto so. I will say, you show application form na Uber you can also we need baby e ba ne sen na wabedu ha wie na wo abo credibility na and also e dia bam papa yensu bia o abo fra bia wo dia te wanka se say na ina weba na the problems up so long and short ne say e memma no na amudi yen oba de so no na so ne ba awa wo ne ba enti a problem bi eni ho. But Obama no, yen na wo se ukwa kwa British passport ama wo pa na omo bi se sa question say che yen say ampa woni abofrey papa ansana yede the British passport no ebema no mo san bi say fa wo British fa dia che so wo As it now from her ebra. And then finally, not even final before the final one, almost say DNA and compulsory. One on one almost say you may wish to consider a DNA. You may wish to consider a DNA. Almost I said your relationship between you and your child. However, it's not compulsory. One say no. I want to say you may wish to consider a DNA. However, this is not compulsory. What the bar you better share made your decision. One for months were your decision based on your idea banner. Very likely said as long as 1 year DNA no, and you haven't proved with other supporting documents. One share on said Davy, you haven't provided enough evidence. Finally, I almost say, I'm going to question back to almost say. Also, both parents may be required to attend an interview. Both parents may be required to attend an interview in His Majesty's Passport Office in London and Glasgow. Would you be willing to go? Would you be willing to attend the interview?
Wow. Right.
Wonim se pan se pefe se.
Then enko anima so ho.
Because questions winner on baba bisa. One fan kwa, one for results nan kwa, one for response nan kwa. Decision now. Enye papa. But wonim.
Wow.
And I could draw. Say, baby, you are bold enough to face them. And yet, say, Ebeya, she shall name ye. And I'll go for young poor. Seek advice. Not wait me about listy near Shesu. Okay, wait, number 1, ya take it. Number 2, I take it. Now, I didn't take it. Well, take away pictures, what take it. Forms, what take it. Divorce certificate, what take it, marriage certificate, what take it, progressive pictures, what take it, postnatal, prenatal records, what take it, red book, what take it, just what take it,
So the name and does
British citizenship is a question of law, so they want to prove that you meet the requirements in accordance with the law. And sana on the British passport, no, Eddie, Ama, Afrana. Because once I'm from a British passport now. Name me Banyana Sitna. Name me no more Ghana. I'm more Grumano. On bet me Ababeka or Money. I'm from any mamma. And yet, I'm from Bakuna application and yet no more show. I will share the additional things now Abeka the people who can come because of this one child's passport. Then we are no more under 18 a 5 or a 6, so we are bet me have a chrome hat because Omoniana a British passport. And then once the other requirements are satisfied, Omame a Juma, or bet me meet the maintenance requirement, accommodation, then we are no more Ghana in 2, 3, 4, 5, they can all come and join the family here. And see, and yes, I will plan about food here. They are thinking far in advance as to what can result from issuing that child alone the British passport. And that they will have to be sure that they are issuing to the right person. And sana, my decision. So, long and short, they say, and remember, yana, and then say, British passport, make sure, sir, every requirement is satisfied. So won't be sad. Now they can open cry. Pakam Viakam. Now they are called from the beginning. Straight away. I want the British passport. Ebema Obano. No problems Biana.
Yo, no, that's a partner. With the Mimisa last question, and finish the next session. Say, scenario of mine. Oba Frigana ba. When you sing, Eno Aba Kruma. Wabeshia bema hofro. Onena asha in a relationship. They are living together as partners. Or akwadano serve relationship no more chromo hano as a partner, living together as a partner no. Omubetime jina so ma bema no assign or apply for citizenship for akwadano. They are partners. Yes. They are not married, but they are living together as partners.
Yes, if they are living together as partners, the requirement is 2 years cohabitation.
Oh, okay.
2 years, which is equivalent or which is akin to marriage. In the 2 years cohabitation as partners, then in that case, papa, again, the same law protects the child, whether it is through marriage or through partnership, as man-woman partnership or civil partnership, etc., etc. Yes, in that case, the child will still be eligible.
Even if the new person partner is not the biological father.
Right. So Osha senior Emrano Oma draft here. Almost say the man to whom the woman is married.
Oh, okay.
Married. And marriage is marriage, not cohabitation in this context.
Okay.
The child will not be the child of the person, the partner. If they are married, that is fine. If it's a biological child, that is not a problem. But if it is cohabitation, they are not married, and that man is not the biological father of the child, then obviously that will not avail the child with British citizenship, because the requirement is the man to whom the mother is
married.
Yes.
Wow.
With all living together with as a partner. The word is marriage.
Marriage. Thank you very much, lawyer. Watch it, and hey, they say there bibia any memu yadin lawyer. Bibia no mu mimia mu ni ade. Passport ba hope. And questions. I was on 44 there say you should name you. I think say now there we need the lawyers more than ever. So beko to sika gu akose record there. It's better you get them na omo ayi bibia kama ma. Lawyer that's a part yamin shroud. We do apologize for the issue we have in Facebook. But we will try to sort it out. Next week we will have a better program. Thank you very much.
Mami, 1 minute, if you don't mind.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, go on. Sorry.
Now, with this British citizenship for Emofreya, now, so Osha, the provision for young Ayakra British passport, Ayaka we a mano, outside the UK. Again, so Osha section 2 of the British Nationality Act for now, a a British other than by descent. In other words, we are British through registration or naturalization. Now, uba outsider, ubano or a British citizen automatically.
Okay.
I'm Mrs. Subiamo. Wafi Africa, wafi Ghana, but now wako school. Finally, when you're indefinite, why naturalization? Ukra British passport. So uko uba outside the UK, ubano or a British automatically, because they can trace from when maybe you're British, from when you became British.
Okay.
Now, so, say, Papa, we are British. Ubana wa wono UK. Or no, or you're British automatically by descent, not by registration or naturalization.
Okay.
Because no, straight away, or no, or you're British by descent. The child descended from you, so by descent, or you're British.
Okay.
Sabo frano. So, or no, echo outside the UK, and Nibana and you're British automatically.
Hey. Wow. Samum.
Yes. And already onyane naturally. Naturally. And you can't pass that natural British citizenship to another child that is born outside the UK. You can have to register them. And it's not only British, but you have to register them. Papa, what do you
Heavy, sir.
Wo ba na wa won naturally as a British citizen or by no way. Well, Pierre Ghana, or no Sako. As a British, ne wo ba about British. I heard anybody say British.
Yes.
Good. Now, sir, about France, or no so will be my son, anybody be British.
Yes. Inti Yakoba say Omono ti outside the UK, no more Kosowa. Then they
It goes on and on into the 10th, 15th, 20th generations.
non-resident British.
Exactly. Not just Obia claiming British citizenship because of their great grandfather or great grandfather there. They want a point of reference and to say, when you have citizenship by descent, not all outsider, you have to register that child as a British. Oh no, UK have only problem, and yeah,
Okay.
By the way, but no outside pet because you didn't get your citizenship through naturalization or registration, your child is not automatically a British. You need to register them as a British citizen. It's quite off, but that is the law. And yes, sir, it will keep going on and on and on. After 100 years, unana we are British because minana, are a British citizen. They want a point of reference. But of course, you can apply for ancestry leave to be in the UK anyway. So that's it for another day. But
Right. So, wait here, sorry. Inti they omo outside the UK no. Now find say what register omo. Is there any requirement that they should be in the UK for some? They can't be outside the UK for some beyond some period. Is there something like residence requirement? Because any nipa not outside the UK can they be stay outside the UK forever and still be British, or is there any?
Once you register them, they have their registration certificate. They apply for their British passport. They are British. And there's no restriction on how long you can stay outside the UK as long as you remain a British citizen.
Oh, okay.
Come and go, come and go, or decide to stay out there for as long as possible. Once they've been registered and they have their British passport, citizenship, they can stay out there for.
All right. Indefinite now restrictions on.
Exactly. Indefinite now 2 years. When to mean not outside for more than 2 years, you have to come in within every 2 years. And some of us are saying, yes, sir, with 2 years indefinite now. After 2 years, you have to make another application called returning residence.
Wow, returning resident. I like that. All right. Thank you very much, lawyer. Nyamin Shramo. Next week, you better Abama for another edition of the program. Have a great evening, sir.
I believe, sir, we are learning a lot from.
Yes. Hey, remember for the application abamo. All right. Thank you. All right. Bye. Right. That was lawyer Wisemart Solicitors. And then I think some abusia. And you see, who British passport and marker? See questions I can see bisano. And I think so the best thing is abusia. So we can say nyawa and because yaya manaka and was with the pubi more uncle Simon, we know the same day. Questions are lawyer can't read the abusia. Would you do him the choir on here and him go sick as a partner or come? I would tear any swap now if you know a cassette say fraud which and true being and so a question semaba. And tia so person your application. Just see the experts. No one should be because they said no name and no requirements in the torso. Just get in touch with Wisemart Solicitors. Na omonche enye bibia amount. Come on. Me the omo information better screen so Wisemart Solicitors office number no 0208 016 5384. That is 0208 016 5384 or 07931 411 042. That is 07931 411 042. Or more Unit 8, the Print House, 18 to 22 Ashland Street, London E83 Delta Lima. That is 18 to 22 Ashland Street, London E83 Delta Lima. Person lawyer Wisdom Kasa. He has the mobile number on your screen, 07931 411 042. That is their emergency number. You can also go to their website, wisemartsolicitors.com, and that's wisemartsolicitors.co.uk. The idea of these two are Ubinya Omo. Simply, you can take a screenshot and be free. We will take some messages from them. Please subscribe to our social media pages. We do apologize for the issues we have with Facebook today. I think we will sort them out before our next meeting. Let's hear some messages from Wisemart and other sponsors. Thank you.
Ghana for our butcher, ya, say then, Kenya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimo, a potokas emu, yakase a lawyer for, and Timiniano, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and could die one more. Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimo could draw for Wisemart Solicitors. So what's now, Ombe Bwama Saka on Krata, Naswedi Dronsua, a Yomokokra, a banini passitnemu, any a Jumemun Sembia, Omudimu Akotenipa, Omu the many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E83DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahini fuchiniye ebidi de biye.
Do you need a professional website for your business, organization, or e-commerce store? Look no further. Compassion Web Design Limited is your number one stop shop. We are a team of marketing, graphics, and web designers with over a decade experience in building and maintaining websites. Our products are very user-friendly, search engine optimized with multiple user permission levels, and are built with PHP and MySQL database. For more information, visit our website www.compassionweb.co.uk or call us on +44 0208 528 3077. Compassion Web Design, your professional web design partners.
Who is going to do my account and tax returns for me, cry?
Certified accountant. Certified accountant. Certified accountant.
They will help you with your account and tax returns.
Are you a medical driver, hairdresser, shop owner, or self-employed? Certified accountant, and I was working with Chapman. And then we say when you will be a bring accounts and tax returns more. Now bansa so more. Now who you actually? It's in America for certified accountant and the amount F accounts and tax return, company accounts, bookkeeping, payroll services, charity accounts, and gift aid claim. As of for what 20 movement certified accountants, self tax planning, business advice, company registration, and many more. And if you company or Chiwakasa, now what the Hotoba no this Capudo Subabro no Bushia, certified accountants. Say a better from the dia, what 20 construction workers, agency workers, relief security workers, bank nursing staff, and then one we are Juma, our temporary workplaces in India, Monfrano, no Nisika Pudu Mama. But the other crowd say HMRC4 at the Cabra work, what me wow, a trim, and yes, as well, what is so crowd. Address 160 London Road, Barking, IG11 8BB. Telephone 0208 226 4933. Mobile 079 568 045 17. Certified accountant. Me humba me ho atwa me. Mudi mpunti yo aba maduma yi.
This is Top Online Radio UK, the top Ghanaian radio station in the UK. Hailing from the eastern corridors of London, we bring you news, views, music, interviews, trending issues, and what have you. Tune in to us 24/7 on our free mobile radio app. Download our free app from the Play Store and the App Store. Just search for Top Online Radio UK. Download the free mobile app and tune in to us 24/7. We stream our programs live on Facebook and YouTube. Just find us on YouTube and Facebook by searching for Top Online Radio UK. We welcome your views, comments, critiques, suggestions, etc. Just get in touch on our station line 079 029 44398. That's 079 029 44398. If you are interested in working with us as a radio presenter, a radio host, or a radio panelist, do get in touch and let's talk. Call us on 079 029 44398. If you want to advertise on our radio, just get in touch and let's talk. 079 029 44398. If you want to sponsor any of our programs, get in touch and let's talk. Top Online Radio UK, the top Ghanaian radio station in the UK.
Ghana for our portrait, ya say then, Kenya emrenim for when a quarter what emrenimo, poto casemu, yakase a lawyer for, and Timiniano, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and could die one more. Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimo could draw for Wisemart Solicitors. So what's now, Ombe Bwama Saka on Krata, Naswedi Dronsua, a Yomoko cra, a banini passitnemu, any ejumemun sembia, Omudimu Akotenipa, Omu the many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For inquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67 76 149 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahini fuchiniye ebidi de biye.
Do you need a professional website for your business, organization, or e-commerce store? Look no further. Compassion Web Design Limited is your number one stop shop. We are a team of marketing, graphics, and web designers with over a decade experience in building and maintaining websites. Our products are very user-friendly, search engine optimized with multiple user permission levels, and are built with PHP and MySQL database. For more information, visit our website www.compassionweb.co.uk or call us on +44 0208 528 3077. Compassion Web Design, your professional web design partners.
Who is going to do my account and tax returns for me, crap?
Certified accountants. Certified accountants. Certified accountants.
They will help you with your account and tax returns.
Are you a minicab driver, hairdresser, shop owner, or self-employed? Certified accountant, and I was working with Chapman. And then we say when you will be a bring accounts and tax returns more. Now bansa so more. Now who you actually? It didn't make for certified accountant at the Yamawo. F accounts and tax returns, company accounts, bookkeeping, payroll services, charity accounts, and gift aid claim. As of for what 20 open engineer certified accountants, self-tax planning, business advice, company registration, and many more. And teach you what you're company or Chiwakasa. Now what the Hotoba bro, what is the Capudio Subabro no Bushia? Certified accountant. Say about transfer from the dia. What 20 construction workers, agency workers, relief security workers, bank nursing staff, and then one we are Juma our temporary workplaces in India. Monfrano, no one is a Capudio Mama. With the Yamada Kran say HMRC4 at the Cabra work. What me wow a trim and yes as well. What to Sokra? Address 160 London Road, Barking, IG11 8BB. Telephone 0208 226 4933. Mobile 079 568 045 17. Certified accountant. Mehumba mehua chame. Mudim puntio abba meduma yi.
This is Top Online Radio UK, the top Ghanaian radio station in the UK, hailing from the eastern corridors of London. We bring you news, views, music, interviews, trending